How to add quiz to Instagram Reel. First of all, open the Instagram app, tap the plus icon and select Reel to start recording or uploading a video. After recording or uploading your video, tap Next twice to get to the editing screen. Then tap the sticker icon, a square sticky note. Scroll through the stickers and choose the quiz sticker. Type your question and the multiple choice answers. You can add up to 4 options. Tap the circle next to the correct answer. It will turn green to indicate the correct choice. Drag the sticker to position it where you want on the reel. You can also resize it by pinching the screen or change its color using the color wheel at the top. Tap Done on the quiz sticker, then Next on the Reel editor. Configure your post settings and share your reel. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please subscribe this channel.